Today I have a really powerful V battery that can charge all your production need. And this is moman Power 99 Pro. Why 99? Because 99 watt hour in this moman Power 99 Pro, it is well within the regulation limit. Yes, you can take 160 watt hour on the plane under the IATA regulation, but from 100 watt hour to 160 watt hour battery pack, you can only take up to 2 battery pack. But with 99 watt hour or less, you don't have any quantity limitation. So for moman Power 99 Pro, you can take as many as you need for your next project. This is an upgraded version of what was a very popular product, moman Power 99. And in this Pro version, there are new features that are super convenient, super useful for your production. So what is a V-mount battery for those of you guys who are not yet familiar with this powerful battery? V-mount battery is a type of rechargeable and portable lithium-ion power source that usually feature superior voltage, high density, and powerful output. So they're capable of charging high-end devices like cameras, those professional big cameras, studio lights, and wireless transmission systems, and so on. So a brand new product, which is actually palm size. It's not that big, it's definitely manageable, and also the weight wise, this is 540 grams, so it's actually, it's sort of heavy, but it's definitely not that heavy. Especially, when you're carrying a powerful battery like this moman Power 99 Pro, then you would have bigger production set, a bigger camera, etc. So this definitely is a very small addition, but a powerful power source. This 99 watt hour lithium ion battery, it is powerful enough to run 200 watts on various devices concurrently throughout your shots with maximum constant rated current of 15 amp. For those of you who are more familiar with mAh, this has 6,875 mAh. So you can see that it is super powerful. And my favorite feature, and probably the biggest upgrade, is that there is this OLED display. And if I just quick press, the OLED display turns on and you can see the status of this battery. So right now, the battery voltage at the top line, it is 16.3 V, and in the second line, the charging and discharging current, right now this is at 0 amp, obviously because it's not connected to anything. T is for remaining time of charge and discharge, and it's obviously at 0 because right now it's not charging anything. And right now it is at 86% of full capacity. Now let's take a look at what kind of output it can have. It has various convenient output for multiple devices. At the back, in the V-shaped mount at the bottom, there is a BP electrode interface with a maximum of 14.4 voltage and 50 amp. And at each side, you see D-tap, input and output. And on the top part, there is the USB-A output at 5 voltage, 2.1 amps, and also there is a really convenient USB-C input and output, which can be at 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt at maximum with 3.25 amp. So this USB-C type super convenient because right now USB Type-C is what all the electronics companies are going for. So in this box, it comes with this cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And this is actually very, very well made, very sturdy. So with this innovative USB-C slot of 65 watt, you can charge this palm-sized mini V-mount battery through a BP or D-tap in the traditional manner using a large adapter, or just by using the USB-C type cable. You can use the same charger as your mobile phone, iPads, laptops, saving you the trouble of having to carry another external camera battery. So this USB Type-C charging is super convenient because I can actually use it to charge my phone, and you can power up a video light such as this. So right now I do have Zhiyun's G60, a very popular device because it's so tiny, but this light does not have any battery inside the light. So this kind of super powerful battery such as moman Power 99 Pro, it would be really useful to light this up. So I'm just gonna quickly set it up. Super easy because it has Type-C cable all included, and just connect it, and this is it. All I need to do is power up and voila, it's lit up. Right now it's at 5%, so it's rather dim, and I can just really power up. And right now this is 80%, really too bright for indoor light. I would not use it this way, so I'm just gonna turn it back down. So I've turned it back down to about 10%, which is definitely sufficient for indoor lighting. And the key thing is this display, because it shows you the operating time. So right now I've actually used this battery a lot because it's so useful in my studio setup. So only 12% capacity. However, no worries, because in the operating time, T, it shows 1:08, which means 1 hour and 8 minutes. So in this kind of setup, this battery can support this light for more than an hour. So this moman Power 99 Pro, it actually measures up the whole operation at every 100 milliseconds. So it actually gives you a pretty good idea on how long this battery can last, supporting devices such as video light or camera. So just imagine at 12% capacity, this can actually support this light for an hour. So at 100% capacity, yes, this light can be supportive for the entire day. So this new feature will be super useful for cameramen to have a very good idea of how long their camera will last in their professional shooting. And because this is a V mount, so a lot of like the pro users, of course you would have all these V mounts everywhere on your camera, on your light and so on. You can very conveniently get V mount adapters for various devices as well. And those mount adapters will help you place this on your lights and so on as well. And you'll be very happy to know that the battery management system, the chip that controls everything, it is designed by Texas Instruments, because the smart chip from Texas Instruments, it helps both moman Power 99, the predecessor, as well as the brand new 99 Pro to be completely safe from overcurrent voltage issue, short circuit, overcharge or discharge, and overheat problem. So when you're looking for a powerful battery, make sure you check who made the chip. And since this kind of big battery is a little bit of an investment, although the price is very favorable, so don't forget to check out the link down below for the final price. But it's very good to know how long the battery life would be. Each cell in the moman Power 99 Pro lithium battery for camera is tuned to the same standard voltage level during the processes of charging and discharging. So they can provide a recycling life of up to 1,000 times. So it's well worth every dollar that you spend on this palm-sized mini battery pack that's super duper powerful. So hope you guys got a better idea of this powerful stuff. If you're part of the professional filming crew, then definitely do check out moman Power 99 Pro. Or if you guys are content creator like me, you have a little production setup in your studio and so on, then you might also want to check this out, because that will give you a very convenient and portable solution for power supply into different lights that you have and camera, even your mobile phone or iPad. This is the solution. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!